Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be unboxing something different. Instead of Batman related comics or DC related comics, this time we're unboxing a particular character. It is He-Man and Masters of the Universe. These are all He-Man related comics. Some of them are from DC, okay? And some image as well, if I remember correctly. So I've opened some of them already. This is the Dolph Lundgren variant by Image. We'll be sending this to CGC as well. Not a popular opinion, but I loved the Masters of the Universe movie. As a kid, it brings so many memories, so many memories. All right, this one is another Dolph Lundgren from House of Comics. Book looks there's a small spine tick. Is it a spine tick? Yes. Color breaking spinting, sort of. Yeah, other than that looks really good. House of Comics, guys, check it out. And yep, it's another one. We'll be sending these to CGC. Masters of the Universe, Staples Emiliano Fontana. It's the Dolph Lundgren variant. Even this one looks sort of. There's some color rub, maybe. Again, big fan of the movie. We'll be sending to CGC as well. Now for the big books I got from eBay as well. I was pissed off. Can you hear it? Yeah, the seller shipped it without bubble wrap, without nothing. It was just empty. But we have a big key here. DC Comics presents Superman and the Masters of the Universe. This is the first appearance of Skeletor and He-Man. We're going to open this one. We're going to look at it closely. Right. Looks good. Definitely needs to be pressed. A bit of, you see it? A bit of dirt, sort of. But I guess can be cleaned. Color breaking spine tick here, and here needs to be pressed as well. A bit of dirt on the edges, minor dirt. Have no idea what would be the grade. Hopefully above 9, but we'll see after the press and clean from CCS. This is the spine. Looks nice. I mean the staples. That looks perfect, guys. Inside looks good. Hoping for a good grade when I send to CGC. Let's take a look at the others. Okay, number 1 variant, Origin of Skeletor. There's a spine tick here. We'll be sending these to CGC as well. Prelude to Eternity War, sorry. Looks good. Looks good. Issue 1. Looks good as well. Origin of He-Man. Looks good. Now, this is the 3 issues, the 3 miniseries of DC, Masters of the Universe. Alright, I'm scared of taking these out. Honestly, I'm scared. I'm just want to make sure that they remain in the best possible condition. The seller has some stickers with his opinion of the grade. I don't want to take these out. I took the issue 47 because it was a special it was a special book. These are special as well, but I'm afraid of taking these out just for the sake of damage. But I'll show you. Obviously, there is this one looks really good. There is a minor spine tick here, and that looks good. Corners are good. Looks good. Issue 2. Very fine plus. Looks good as well. Looks good. Minor. No, it's not minor spine tick here. Can you see it? There you go. Minor spine tick. Other than that, looks good as well. Issue 3. The spine doesn't look. Needs a press. The spine isn't even. You can see. Minor condition upgrade here. Minor issue with the spine. Other than that, looks good. Bit of dirt here, a little bit. I'm not taking these out. I'm scared. Here it needs a press. There, then that looks great. Now, another one. This is how you ship comics, guys. Painter's tape, another envelope, and we've got another set here. Okay, the seller was kind enough to give me 2 free comics. I appreciate this a lot. Nothing is free nowadays. However, therefore, I will be post his shop, his link of eBay shop on the comments below, on the description, so that obviously huge shout out to this guy for giving me 2 free comics. Alright. Comics. Here again, I got another set of this mini-series. 1 out of 3 has minor color breaking spine tick. Okay, let's see the other one, issue 2. Yeah, alright, spine looks, there is a minor color breaking spine tick, you see. And that looks good to me. Hoping for a good grade in these. Okay, another one. There's a color breaking spine tick here. There you go. The rest of the spine looks okay. This is another one, guys. Okay. Alright, guys. This was the first Masters of the Universe comic book haul. I'm waiting for another small comic book haul. And I'll be doing the unboxing as well, guys. So, see you soon, guys. Thank you for watching. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. On to the next, guys. Have a good one and stay safe. See ya.